Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change line icon on iPhone. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, just go ahead to shortcut. And now in this page, tap on the plus icon at the top right. After that, tap on Add Action button. Next, you just have to search Open App in the search bar. And now just open it. Now in the Choose, you just have to tap on it and search the line or the application that you want to change the icon. After that, tap on the three dots button at the top right. After, just rename your application here. I'm gonna rename it by Line 2. And for change the icon, tap on the profile button. After that, choose photo and select the photo that you want to use here. If you're done, tap on choose button. After the last step, tap on add here at the top right. And yeah, it's already added to your home screen. Now just look for it in your home screen. So yeah guys, here you are. You can remove the original apps from home screen by tap on remove app. In the remove app, you will disable the pop-up. You have to tap on remove from home screen. But don't worry, you still can search the original app by tap on the app library here, line. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.